Alright guys, so just figured I'd give you a little look at my new truck. It's a 2013 F350 dually. I bought it to pull my car around once I finally get that transmission in it. So then maybe we can have some fun with it. But I'm about to delete it, so I figured I'd get a quick video of what it sounded like before I delete it, and then I'll do an after clip. And honestly, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I might do an axle dump. But doing the EGR delete 5-inch exhaust from the downpipe back, and an H&S Minimax tuner, and who knows what else after that. But just give a quick cold start and see what it sounds like from here, and then I'll give it some revs or something. Alright guys, so we're back with the F350. Just got it back from the shop from being deleted. It's got a 5-inch straight pipe, cold air intake, EGR delete, and a tuner. But it's 5-inch from the downpipe back to an 8-inch tip. We'll see how much, see if you like it. Here's a little cold start for you. Alright, so next I'm going to cut it. Well, not really cut it, I'm just going to undo that clamp that's right there. And I'm going to put that tip and do a axle dump. That way we have a good base to see the difference in sound between stock 5-inch straight pipe and then a 5-inch axle dump. All with the same size tip. And that'll be that for this video.